Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsh Anirvalke. Today's topic is cybercrime. Cybercrime is a illegal activities conducted using the computer, digital system or the internet. It involves crime committee against the individual organization or the government through hacking, identified data brief and the various type of malware. This crime can target the person's financial and priority informations. Types of cybercrime: first, hacking, gaining the unauthorized access to computer system or the network to steal data or the causes the disruptions. Hackers exploit vulnerabilities in the software or the secure system. Phishing attempt to obtain the sensitive information like a username, password, and the credit card details by the distinguished as the truth word entirely in electronic communication. Denial of the services or the disrupted denials of the services attack that the overwhelm system network or the services, making them the unavailable to users. Online fraud and the scams such as the fraudulent e-commerce sites, online education fraud, and the POSIL system carry out via the internet or the to devise the people with financial gain. Cyber talking, the use of internet to harass or the talk in the individual group or the organizations. Categories of the cybercrime: individual hackers, often the motivated by the financial gain, political deloyalties, or the curiosity. Organized crime group, or coordinated group that perform the large scale cybercrime, often for the profit, such as the money, draft tracking, or the online fraud. State sponsor hacker national may engage in cyber espionage, warfare, or surveillance to achieve the political, military, or the economic objectives. Hack, uh, hacker visit hackers with the political or the social motivations, often attacking the government, cooperation, or the other entire to protest or to promote causes. Insider employ or the contractors who misuse their access to internet system to steal or to lag the sensitive informations. Motivational behind cybercrime: financial gain. Most cybercriminals are motivated by profit, stealing money directly or the stealing stole informations. Revenge or the personal. Some attacks stem for the personal grievance or the retaliations. Uh, Ideology and hacker visits may engage the cybercrime to promote a causes to or expose the perceived injustice, political or the economic espionage. Government or the organization may use the cybercrime to steal, trade secrets, and interfere with the electronic or the sabotage critical infrastructures. Technique used in cybercrime is social engineering, manipulating the people into the confidential information, such as through phishing attack or the fake website. Exploiting vulnerabilities, finding and the using flab software or the system to gain access the restricted data. Impact of the cybercrime: economical loss, business and the individuals lost billions annually due to the stolen funds, damage reputations and the repair cost. Data loss: breaches result in the thief of the sensitive personal and the cooperated data. Reputational damage. Companies suffer loss of the consumer trust when the data breaches occur, disruption of the service, attack on the critical infrastructures can disrupt essential services and pose risks to public safety. Cybersecurity measures encryptions protection sensitivity data by covering it into the unreadable code. Fairware system, firewalls system designed to prevent the unauthorized access to or the from private network. Thank you.